get this Ford from Fishbowl to Faded. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Actually, this is my first vehicle of 2021. Now, it might not come out right away. I got some other videos that I'm gonna have before this one, so you'll probably see that. But this is the first vehicle that I'm doing in 2021. Now, this thing, as you guys can see, it is fishbowl, man. It is fishbowl. You can see right through this thing. We can't roll like that, and that's the reason why the customer brought this vehicle to me. Now, they're gonna sell this vehicle, so they thought, you know what, it'd probably look better having tint on it than no tint. But one of the things I want you guys to remember, because a lot of people say this, all right? When your truck comes from the factory, you just bought it, the back windows are privacy glass. The back windows are not tint. People always say I have tint on the rear. It's not tint. The glass is made with the dark smoke in the glass. So this truck right here had no dark smoke privacy glass. It had nothing back there, so that's the reason why we want to get it done. Now, this whole truck will be tinted. So possibly down the road, if the customer has a problem, they'll say, oh, I have tint on the rear. It might confuse them a little bit, but for the most part, like you guys should know, these factory trucks don't have tint on the rear. You cannot peel that off. You can't remove that. It's in the glass. So this thing is fishbowl, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. We're just gonna do 20% all the way around. But one of the things I wanna show you guys is, I talked about it in a YouTube short about doing the rear glass. Now, I hand cut, I don't use a plotter, so one of the ways you kind of can do these rear windows is if you jump back up there and tint plate it. But what I'm gonna do is just cut my rough shape. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna trim around the window like flat glass. I'm gonna do the best I can do to kind of show you, because it's hard to film when you're inside the back of a pickup truck with by yourself. But I'm gonna do the best I can, and I'm gonna show you guys that. So check it out. I'm gonna do a quick edit of this truck, 20% all the way around, and this thing will be faded. All right guys, so you can see the doors are done. And just kind of a heads up FYI, off camera while I was waiting for my garage to warm up, I prepped the other side. That's why you didn't see me clean the passenger side, because I already had it prepped, I already had it cracked down, I already had it ready to go. So this was pretty straightforward. I double cut both, slapped them on. I like to get one side stuck on top, and then I'll go to the other side, prep that, get that stuck on top, and I'll come back. Because to me, I found out what that kind of does is let the tint tack up for a little bit, and then it makes it so when you put it up, it won't shift. So I'll do one side, top, get it tacked up. I'll run to the other side, do that top, and get it tacked up. So that's kind of what I've been doing lately. So that's why you see me jumping back and forth. I'm just letting that window film get tacked up, and it helps prevent, like I said, sliding and shifting and stuff like that. So now I'm gonna try to do my best to show you guys what I was talking about, all right? For the back glasses, instead of jumping in the bed, making your template, getting a light, it just takes too long. What I'm gonna do is this rough cut. I'm gonna shrink my film on the peel board, and then I'm just gonna take it inside, clean it, install it, and I'll just trim around the border. Now on these Ford trucks, there's a lot of black border around them, so you have plenty of room to make a nice clean cut, install it, and get it in. So let's do that, and this truck will be done. All right, so that's how I've been installing these rear windows lately. It's kind of a lot less trouble than getting up in the back and having to mess with the bed cover or get in the back of people's trucks when they have stuff back there. I just do it in the inside like flat glass. Now I did take some time to shrink this one. I mean, sometimes you don't really need to, but I just wanted to tighten up the bottom a little bit just to make sure I had no fingers inside when I did the install. But it came out good, took a little extra time over there. But like I said before, that's how I've been doing my rear windows. Even slider windows, I do them the same thing. I just do everything inside, rough cut, and it's been turning out really well. So now this thing has no more fishbowl. We got 20% sides and rear. You got some privacy. You got reduction of the sun glare. We got all that good stuff. We got it faded. So man, thanks for watching. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell so not miss any notifications. And I'll be back when I get time with another video. But let's check out a little bit of this truck as we do a little walk around. Peace.